Hi creatives, quick notice regarding the 135 scale Mechatro WeGo's knee joints. Have you built these guys? Are the knees bendable on yours? If not, you may have missed this instruction on a manual. If you want to moving the knee, please cut. That's a bit of a broken English there. Let me first disassemble the legs. So what that means is to remove this part from the leg joint, because with this extended piece here, it's blocking that articulation. So it's very easy. I'll trim it off with modeling nippers. Give a few close cuts. And then I'll use these sanding sticks from coarse to medium to fine for a nicer finish. And then there you go. Reassemble the parts back together, and now you have bendable knees. WeGo. It's not much, but better than nothing, huh? It's odd why that extended part is even part of a mold. Hasegawa, how about updating the mold to just exclude it, so it is less confusing on the builders? Well, that's it guys. Quick tip to fellow builders that have also built these 135 scale Mechatro WeGo kits or might be building one in future. Thanks for watching, see you soon and keep creating.